We breathe into this morning's Easter meditation, just allowing our eyes to close, our hearts to open. Breathing into the one life that is this life that is right here, right now, present. Flooding this moment with grace. Whatever we came into this sanctuary this morning with in mind or heart, we lift up. We lift up as we are open to the movement of spirit in our lives and in our hearts. So whether it is a grace-filled pressing forth of gratitude, or it is a healing of mind, body, or soul, or it is a deepened connection with wisdom, guidance, intuition, or simply anything that is on the heart. We invite in pure intelligence, perfect wisdom, and absolute love. We take a deep community breath as we inhale and exhale into the silence. Taking another deep breath, we allow ourselves to more deeply relax into this moment. Hearing these words of Unity's co-founder, Charles Fillmore, in his prayer from Easter Sunday, the year 1914. Now this morning, let us enter into this supreme consciousness, founded upon the understanding that there is but one life, one substance, one intelligence, and that all things express that life, that substance, that intelligence, that they express it and manifest it according to their understanding of themselves as that life, that substance, and that intelligence. Now we enter into the consciousness of this great life by holding silently in the secret place way down deep in the soul. This truth I know him, for I am from him, and he hath sent me. This is the great mind itself we are communing with. I know this mind, for I am from this mind, and this mind hath sent me. Let us all enter into that silent communion. And so it is.